Hi everybody, welcome to Synchronicity Yoga. My name is Kevin. Find a place to roll out your mat and let's get started. Today we're going to focus on an entry-level or beginner yoga sequence that you'll find in most classes, known as Surya Namaskar A, or commonly referred to as Sun Salutation A. So we'll start out with a quick warm-up, and then I'll lead you through a couple rounds, and you can pause the video there and continue, or feel free to close with me. So to get started, come to a comfortable seat. Maybe crisscross the legs, or take the legs out in front of you, it's okay. Hands to the knees, draw the shoulders back, slight tuck in the chin, and allow the eyes to close. Taking a deep breath through the nose, exhale out the mouth. And continue with two more. Continuing with this breath throughout the practice today, allow the eyes to float open. Inhale, hand circle sweep overhead. Exhale, twisting to the left. Take the right hand outside the left knee, left hand behind. Think inhale to lengthen up. Exhale as you twist. Inhale back to center, hands meet overhead. Exhale, take it right. Left hand outside the knee, right hand behind. Again, inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, twist. Inhale to center, hands meet overhead. Exhale, shift forward to a tabletop. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Begin with the cat-cow, so leading from the tailbone. Inhale, drop the belly, lift the gaze. Press the palms into the mat. Exhale, round through the back. Allow the head to hang. Again, leading from the tailbone. Inhale, belly begins to drop. As you press into the mat, gaze comes forward and up. Exhale, leading from the tailbone, round through the back, press into the mat, arch the back, think a Halloween cat, press away. Inhale, back to cow. Exhale to cat. Inhale to come back to a neutral spine. Walk the hands out, about one palm length, tuck the toes, press the hips up and back, down dog. So now here, you want to keep the knees slightly bent. Don't worry about the heels coming down. We're more worried about creating a long line from crown of the head to tailbone. So draw the elbows in towards the midline. Press into the mat. Press your hips up and back. Take a deep breath. Exhale with a sigh. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, slowly tippy toe all the way to the top of the mat. Inhale, take a half lift, hands come to the shins, shoulders draw back, head, crown of the head reaches forward. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, bend the knees deeply, begin to roll up one vertebrae at a time, head comes up last. Shoulders roll back, head sits on top of the body. Inhale, hands circle sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to heart. Now moving slowly to begin. Inhale, hands circle sweep overhead. Exhale, hinging at the hips, forward fold. Inhale, take a half lift, hands to shins, extend forward. Exhale, plant the palms, step the right foot, then the left foot back. Holding high plank for a breath. You can lower down automatically if you know where we're going. If not, stay here, shoulders over wrists, heels drive back, belly in. Inhale, come onto the toes, shift the shoulders over the fingertips, and with the elbows hugging the side body, lower all the way down to the mat. Untuck the toes, tops of the feet press into the mat, keeping the elbows drawing in. Begin to lift. Low cobra, option here to float the palms. Exhale, come down, tuck the toes, hips come up and back, down dog. Taking a breath here. Inhale, exhale out the mouth. Remembering to keep a slight bend in the knees, just lengthening through the spine. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, tippy toe or step all the way up, top of the mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale with a flat back, rise all the way to standing, hands meet overhead. Exhale, hands to heart. One more time through. Inhale, hands circle sweep overhead. Exhale, hinge at the hips, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, plant the palms, step left foot, then the right foot back this time. Inhale, shift forward onto the toes, shoulders over fingertips. Exhale, lower down or chaturanga. Arms come to 90 degrees. Untuck the toes, inhale, lift. Either come into low cobra or up dog. Knees are lifted in up dog. Exhale, down dog. Take a deep breath, exhale out the mouth. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, hop or step up, your choice. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to standing, hands meet overhead. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, hands circle sweep overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, take a half lift. Exhale, plant the palms, step the feet about 2 feet back, and lower down onto the knees. Untuck the toes, sit back on the heels. Option to roll the mat up here and place it under the knees, or put a blanket or something down to protect the knees if they're tender. Bringing the hands into the lap. Right palm sits in the left. Taking a deep breath, exhale out the mouth. Two more. Drawing hands to heart center, bowing head to hands. Recognizing that you're well on your way to becoming a practicing yogi. So find something to be grateful for. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste.